How to delete your REDnote account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will show you on how to delete your REDnote account. So now let's dive in. First of all, open the REDnote application on your mobile device. Once you're on the app, tap on the profile section at the bottom left corner. Now navigate to Settings. Here on Settings, tap on Account Security. Here, you can see the option of Account Cancellation. Now tap on it. Now, you will be directed to two options, Account Deactivation or Account Deletion. Now tap on Account Deletion. After that, re-enter your password and click on Confirm. So that's it. This is how to delete your REDnote account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.